Just count them. Sometimes it works. When Matt's drinking and he snores, I just count them. It's just count them. It's like counting sheep. Brooke said he's on like 400. Put him down with the boys.